pretty much time to give it its first start since it's all been pulled apart. So it's all wet, ready to kick. I couldn't quite get the Mishimoto radiator and the stock RS intercooler to marry up on the top mounts, but the bottom mounts are in. You can see there right on center of screen. Just doesn't fit. So we'll see what happens when I get a better intercooler later. Horns in. I've had to go dodgy Group A style air filter because of the XR5 MAF. I couldn't fit the intake in how it used to be because the intercooler hose is now the RS one. It's bigger and routed differently to the old hose. It just didn't fit. Front end's all in, bled the fluids. It's ready to kick. So the Group A style will have to be where it is there like that till I get it tuned, I guess. I got a few warnings and things like bonnet open, of course. Oh, it's so dirty. Look at the window. It's been sitting there for weeks, just doing nothing. There's spiders on it. It's a bit of a tight fit in here. So I've bled the fluids. The clutch has a bit of a free play in the top, but the operation feels fine and it's not noisy. It's actually got rid of the funny gritty feeling that it used to have. You can hear the pedal pivot a little bit. Brake pedal feels nice and firm. So the gears work. Set the clock. There we go. 295, 449. It's just a matter of turning it on and seeing if it runs and if anything leaks, more importantly. And if the belts are any good. There we go, it goes. Now that'll get all the air out of the system with it running. Dog was under there. Nice cold cycle. Now, you should be able to hear the flywheel. Tick it, tick it, tick it, tick it, tick it. As it warms up and the gearbox oil gets runny, that'll get louder. So that's the noise everyone's talking about. Haven't had that for a while. So I've got an ABS light on. I kind of expected that, but I don't know what that's going to do to it while I try and drive it. Traction control is off, and I didn't turn it off. Brake pedal feels weird. Coolant seems to have settled. Once it warms up, I'll let, when the thermostat's open, we'll see how it bleeds through. That's the last.